Introducing the CHiQ 166-litre no-frost hybrid fridge freezer, a compact yet powerful solution for your home. It's a perfect choice as a dedicated frozen storage or as a second fridge. With an impressive 4-star energy rating in freezer mode and a 5-star in fridge mode, this appliance delivers both efficiency and performance. The elegant fingerprint-resistant black steel design adds a modern and stylish touch to any kitchen. The hinge is set on the left, but thanks to the reversible door design, you can easily switch the opening direction to suit your space. Plus, the assistant handle makes opening effortless. The electronic temperature control with LED display gives you precision at your fingertips. In just 3 seconds, unlock the panel and set your preferred temperature, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius in fridge mode and -16 to -24 degrees in freezer mode. Activate the fast fridge/freeze function for rapid cooling. Then let it automatically switch off to save energy. And if you ever forget to close the door alarm will remind you. Best of all, it's 100% frost-free, so you'll never need to defrost it manually again. Inside, you'll find 2 glass shelves with covers and 3 drawers designed to reduce odour transfer and keep food fresh. Each drawer is supported by a glass shelf underneath, and if you need more space, simply remove the drawer for flexible storage options. The easy-to-get ice box includes 2 trays in a space-saving design, making ice retrieval quick and convenient. The CHiQ 166-litre no-frost hybrid fridge freezer CSH164NBS is the smart, space-efficient choice for families who want flexibility, style, and performance. Improve your life with CHiQ.